Hello everyone, my name is Patrick, a BSHM student from Laguna State Polytechnic University. For today's video, we are going to make something sweet, served after a meal at the end. Yeah, you're right, it is called dessert. Carrot pound cake. Ingredients: heavy cream, sugar, oil, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder, evaporated milk, vanilla extract, and condensed milk. This butter, you may use the scraper, but we don't have a scraper, so I am just using a rubber spoon, and it is flexible. So after that, after the next ingredients we will add is the milk, evaporated milk. We will add this gradually until we met the consistency of this butter. In mixing the butter, you need to have a strong hands because it's nakakangalay.
Uh-oh.
And mixing this butter again, you need to be careful because it might spill out the bowl. So that's why we have a apron to protect our chef's uniform. This is now our butter. So don't forget to add our main dish, our main ingredients, the carrots, the grated carrots. It will serve as the flavor of the pound cake. I forgot something. We need to add this vanilla extract. this is now our small oven toaster, and it is important that you will preheated the oven before you put the butter on it. So it's already preheated, so we will add the butter. Using this small oven toaster, we will monitor it strictly. Yesterday, I come up with the idea of having a jam to my um, um, carrot pound cake, but unfortunately, I don't have a strawberry to have a strawberry jam. So I come up with the idea of having a carrot jam. I asked my mom that I said, I tell to her, Nay, maalam po ba kayong magawa ng jam? Um, Carrot jam. Then then she said, melt the tunawin yung asukal, ilagay yung grated na carrots, and then paghaluin hanggat maging malapot, and then ayun, and don't overcook it, because if you overcook a jam, it will be caramelized, and if that happens, you can add milk, evaporated milk to it, and until you met the consistency. So this is the jam that we made earlier.
Presenting carrot pound cake with carrot jam and condensed milk. So for today, thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.